This morning started amazingly well for me. And why did it got started so amazingly? I'm going to tell you that just in a bit, okay? But the person that you are seeing with me on the screen is incredible Ramya MK. She is a Reiki Grandmaster. I've written it down because hear it out, okay? She's a Reiki Grandmaster. She is an NLP coach. She is a branch head of Personal Mastery Mysuru, and a lot more, which she has refused to share right now. But that is how incredible this woman is. And I got an opportunity to meet Ramya. Hey, hi Ramya. I love your smile.
Hi, Rupa.
And I got an opportunity to meet this incredible lady and serve her. I was invited as a keynote speaker in the palatial city of Mysuru by CWE. So I met Ramya the first time just there. Like that was 2 weeks ago, Ramya, right? Approximately.
Yes.
So
It's
approximately
just
2 weeks ago. And we don't know, we didn't know each other before that.
Yes.
So actually, officially, this is just the second time that we are interacting, and the first time that we are interacting one-on-one. But Ramya totally made my day because she was telling something shifted in her after she listened to me, and she was like, being very, very sweet. I thought of just recording that bit so that I can listen to this recording whenever I'm feeling down. So Ramya, what shifted in you? What was it? What were you sharing?
Uh, Rupa, it's like I mean, let me be very honest with you. Just 2 minutes is not going to be sufficient enough, but I try to convey it. But first, when I met you at CWE, the minute I saw you, I was like, wow, kind. And I was thinking, okay, whatever she's going to tell, so how is it going to be? I'm going to try to implement it because okay, she has come up with a lot of experience and she has been into this industry for a long time. And for her, it's just like a cakewalk. How it can be possible with me was a question mark. But yes, I heard you and I took few points as in like the key points. There, it could be like the specially designed kind of. Sentences from Rupa, or I mean the signature sentence, I would say. So I just picked few, and I heard your the entire the way of conveying it to us. It was amazing. I enjoyed it. But after coming home, okay. So how do I do it? How do I put it in a practice? Was a question mark. So if you remember, Rupa, after the session, I came to you personally. I took your number, thinking that okay, I'll take tips from you later after the session, so that we could give a insight for me, so I can understand better and start implementing. But somewhere it was so impressive the way you conveyed. It just directly entered into my brain and then my neurons in my body, and I felt so comfortable. Suddenly on we had a training on Thursday and Friday, and Monday morning some thought comes into my mind. Okay, Rupa has told me this way. Let me try implementing it. And even to try implementing it, again, I had a question mark. But yes, again, Rupa has told me if I have to do it, I need to start doing somewhere. And I remember you had given us 20 pointers where we can change without investing on any kind of social media or advertising. So I thought, let me try this way. And Rupa, well, sincerely, I'm saying here what happened was I had an app in my mobile, which is a kind of a small poster creator. So I tried creating a small poster without any investment again. Okay, I tried and I just published it. Believe me, I get a lot of people coming back to me asking for a query. Okay, Rupa, yeah, it's working kind of a feeling. And I remembered now the sentence, Hege Rupa, Hege. Oh, yeah, it's happening. Okay, Hege Ramya, Hege. Come on, Ramya, explore. Yes, what she is saying is correct. So let's work towards it. I tried it. And then there comes a thought. Okay, so if the same thought, if I am valuing the work, what I am doing it, and when I'm trying to convert it to business, then there is nothing wrong in it. Because it's really a value worth. So what I tried till now, Rupa, whatever the sessions I had, I used to think, oh, what do people think if I ask them to pay? And if it is in a friend circle, what do they think? Why is Ramya charging? Oh, Ramya runs an NGO. Why can't she do it this way? So then, no, let me be very clear. NGO is different and business is business. So
Correct.
when it came to business, I started, okay, let me think like Rupa. Okay, for a minute, I became the Rupa. Rupa, not in terms of cutting my hair, chopping my hair, and wearing the specs and giving that look, but yes, that confidence, what you built, okay, in us, that particular,
Oh.
and the way what you conveyed, I thought, okay, let me be Rupa for today. From
Oh.
now for today, I'm going to be Rupa and think like Rupa. So, to my knowledge, how much ever I can think like Rupa, I did. I did it that way. And Rupa, it started with a simple Women's Day celebration, I would say. So, Women's Day celebration, which we thought we will meet up and have it in a bigger way. But due to various other reasons, I thought, okay, let me limit it to a online online meetup, a Women's Day meetup. But, you know what? We had 22 participants registering, and believe me, it's on a business, Rupa. It's on a business. I'm so excited. And I took the second point of yours where you said the video, when you create a video and publish it, that matters. And I did it, and it really mattered. It really, really mattered. Then, okay, oh my God, I'm not going to wait. I have to meet Rupa. I have to convey this. I was waiting for this Monday, Rupa, and really, when I'm seeing this, I'm so excited and I feel so happy that I could do it. And the credits to you. And definitely, yes, Vijay sir also, because he was also a mentor who taught us on business
And our
ideas.
mentor, he is my
Yes,
mentor as well.
our mentor, and special thanks to CWE for bringing all of us together. And Rupa, you came as a blessing for me. Thank you so much. And remember, I'm not going to leave you here. I'm going to torture you every day. Wherever you have an appointment, please give me some time to talk to you, and then talk to you in such a way that what I had thought could be really impossible, you made it feel in that way that I am possible, kind of a feeling. So I feel I'm almost there.
Wow. 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 Look at you. Thank you so much for sharing.
you.
Sorry, in between your video was frozen, but we could hear you speak. So that was good. So thank you so much for that beautiful narrative. And wow, you shared so much. And I was taking notes. And I think what stood out here, yes, you shared this beautiful story about how from Thursday and Friday, right? Thursday and Friday it was, right? Thursday,
Yes, it
Friday,
was
you were in a
Thursday.
2-day conference. And I came in on Thursday. And by Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you took rest because that is what we agreed to do. And Monday, you asked yourself a very important question. So it all started, yes, everybody were in that conference. There were so many people in that conference. But as I told that day in the conference, that is generally just the 5% who will take the action. And I'm so proud that I'm speaking with one of those few 5% people who actually took all this information, picked whatever resonated with them at that point of time, and what you did differently is you dared to take action because you were driven to implement. And I always say that knowledge is not power, implementation is. And look what you created. So was this the first time that you, at first time?
Yes. First
Are you
time.
serious?
Yes, I'm serious, and it is again. I'm stressing on this. This is inspired by you, and only you, Rupa.
Oh,
Let me be very honest in accepting this, because I had never tried such kind of a meetup earlier. And this is my first business meetup, even though I am into the running kind of a consultant, since I've been a consultant for a long time. That is on, okay, whenever you train and you paid for it, that was different. And this is a different idea altogether. and it was on a business lines for the first time in my entire experience.
Wow. And for the first event, sorry, go ahead.
Yes, yes, and the confidence what I have now. Yes, having said that, 22 numbers were there, and we had a registration fee of a limited amount. But now I gain so much of confidence that yes, I can do it. Like, oh my God,
Yes.
where was this idea? Where were you, Rupa? Now the question is, till now it was how ಹೇಗೆ ರೂಪ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಿ ರೂಪ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಿ kind of. So I'm really happy and proud to say this, Rupa. I could do it, and you made it so the action points were so simplified, and it was like for any layman, it is like this. We can pick it up like this. Just that we need to listen and implement it. This is for you.
Oh my God, I am so thrilled. So first of all, thank you so much for sharing this. And for the listeners who have stumbled upon this video, first of all, Ramya and I, we are from the city, from the state of Karnataka. So there were a couple of Kannada words like hege and yeledri. So hege Rupa hege was how, Rupa, how do I do that? So which literally was the caption for that entire event when I was on the stage. So hege Rupa hege is how do I do that? And I shared how do I do that. But people like very rare breed like Ramya are the ones who take action and who dared. So were there doubts in your head? Absolutely, right? Was
Very
there
much.
any fear? Absolutely. But
Yes.
despite the doubts, despite the fear, you said, I have all these points given by Rupa. I know what to do. I know how to do it. Now it's just the question of doing it. Just the question of doing it. And look at it. I didn't know at the beginning of the call that this was your first time ever
First.
that you did an online event. An online event that was not just any event, it was a business related event.
Yes.
And it was a paid event. It was not a free
Yes.
event. And you got 22 members signed up, and how many showed up?
All of them.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're talking
And,
about a 100% show up rate, which is unheard of, even for paid event, by the way.
All of them registered. All of them till the last day of the event morning. We had registrations, and 22. All of them participated. Full 100%. It was a very successful one. I have all the good feedbacks from my people. That's really amazing. All of them enjoyed it. They never felt it as kind of it was very fruitful. I would love to add on one thing, Rupa. If somebody is trying to think how to do it, what to do it, and if they're having some kind of a struggle, I'll just say, just contact Rupa and your problems are solved. That's one thing I really want to address here, Rupa, because it's like most of us, including me, I had a inhibition, like how I approach, what do I do? I don't know. Probably like after talking to you, and the way you convey it, that really matters. Believe me, that really matters. So, and it mattered to me. When I can do it, yes, there are a lot more people who can take the benefit. So why to wait? So please reach out to Rupa, and she is an amazing woman, I'll tell you. And I'm very happy that I could get a chance. In fact, I wanted an appointment on 8th itself so that I can talk to a lovely lady. But due to her busy schedule, she could give the appointment today. And I'm just telling you honestly, you need to talk to Rupa, at least to know what you can do.
This is so amazing. Thank you so very much. This is all the love and power to you. More power to you, more love to you. And this is just a start. This is just a start. So all of you who are listening to Ramya's story, and Ramya is a real person. Okay, it's not a clone. This is not an AI. Okay. So she is a real person. I'm a real person. And this is the magic. This is the magic in making. This is magic which is real time. So her self-confidence is off the roofs. Absolutely. She said yes to that. And she has hosted her first event. And did you run any paid ads for that event?
No.
So was I right when I climbed on that stage
Yes.
and I said,
Yes.
by the
Yes.
time you step out of this room, I'm going to show you how to get awesome leads, grow your sales without advertisement.
I will definitely. I mean, it's like now 100% sure. If I talk to
Perfect.
Rupa, I would get a business. Is what I am
Oh my
sure
God.
about.
And that is why I charge people to talk to me.
Yes,
All right.
that's really a good one.
Beautiful. And for a first event, which she actually planned, and between the planning and the event, probably you spent around 2 weeks of promotion?
No, just about 12 days.
12
12
days.
days.
12
Yes.
days of promotion. 12 days of promotion, no advertisement, first event ever, and paid event, and 22 sign-ups happened and 22 show-ups happened. That is 100% show-up rate. Just so that you know, Ramya, this itself is a rare thing in international markets as well. So it's a feat that you have achieved. I'm super, super, super proud of you. Congratulations, and thank you so much for sharing this story with me and with all my audience. Sending you lots of love, lots of love. And yes, we are going to be together in it, and let's
Yes.
grow. And one other thing that happened was I would like to share it with most of my audience who already know this. This is the spectrum in which I work. Anything that I do, it is about personal growth, income growth, and impact growth. Okay, and what Ramya shared the story when she said that my confidence was boosted. I felt happy. I was Rupa for that moment. I did this, I did that. So that is her personal growth, income growth. First event, first paid event, and 12 days, 22 signups. That was 2 signups a day. Two of them were paying her continuously. So that's just a speck of what income growth could look like. This is just a start of it. And impact, Ramya, this what you just did was a little unique event, because this impact, I don't even train people, I don't even take up any mentoring clients on impact, because that comes later once we work on ourselves and all. But in your event, you actually ended up doing that. You ended up impacting, serving, helping, and impacting 22 women, right? They were all women.
Yes.
22 women. So, my dear friend, this is a ladder in which you climbed just by doing one event. And this happened just after one keynote of mine. But I'm so glad that you were willing to share this story. And those of you who are watching this, watching Ramya's story and this recording, let me tell you that what Ramya has experienced is a small speck of what happened in one of my public events where I was a keynote speaker. But if you would like to climb this ladder and grow your personal growth, income growth, impact growth, then get in touch with me, because that is exactly what I'm doing. My name is Rupa Patil. I'm a certified mastermind professional and international business mentor, trainer, author, and speaker. And I am on a mission to help at least 10,000 heart-centered entrepreneurs just like Ramya and all of you to grow your income and impact without delay. So that's me. Reach out to me. My coordinates will be given somewhere here, and give a lot of love to this incredible lady, Ramya. Follow her. I'll be sharing her details also. Follow her, stay in touch with her, and all you lovely heart-centered leaders, and hashtag heart leaders, type in hashtag leaders. And thank you so much for watching this. Thank you, Ramya, for sharing this.